Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are the one who is looking for the job or looking to switch your current job, then this video is just right for you. Today we will be showing you live how to get the job within just few minutes. तो शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। यूजुअली लोग जॉब पोर्टल्स के थ्रू जॉब सर्च करते हैं, लेकिन इनमें सबसे बड़ी कमी ये है कि हमें इससे एचआर का डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट नहीं मिलता, और दूसरा ये कि हम सिर्फ प्रोफाइल अपडेट करके छोड़ देते हैं और कॉल्स आने का वेट करते हैं। इससे जॉब सर्च का जो टाइम है वो बहुत लंबा हो जाता है। लेकिन हमें एक इफ़ेक्टिव तरीका चाहिए जिससे हम जल्दी जॉब सर्च कर सकें और हमें एचआर का कॉन्टैक्ट भी मिल सके। द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव वे फॉर अ जॉब सर्च इज़ थ्रू लिंक्डइन। लेट्स गो लाइव and show you. Let's first visit the LinkedIn website. If you have an account, you can sign up using your credentials, but if you do not have, you can just click on join now and create an account using your phone number or email ID. Right now I already have the credentials, so I just log in and enter. Right now this is the mobile version of this website. We need to go to the desktop version. The desktop version will look something like this. So first we have to do a wild search. In the search tab you have to type hiring plus your desired job location. Right now my job location would be Gurgaon because it's near to the Delhi. So let's just type hiring Gurgaon. The results will show a list of jobs, but this is not where our search ends. We have to go to the more and then click on content. As soon as you hit the content filter, it will show a list of job postings by the recruiter. These job postings are mainly by the HR department of the company or the employees that are working in that company. Right now the problem with these job posts are that some of are quite latest and some are of even 3 months old. But now we have to look for the latest job openings so that when we apply for it, we will have a maximum chance to get selected. For that we have to go to the right hand side of the job postings. We have to hit the latest filter, then all the postings which are latest up to date even by 1 minute, then it will show on. Now we can see all the latest job postings. Now just scroll down. We can even see the job posting updated 4 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. The major plus point of applying to these latest jobs is that you will have a better chance of getting selected, since all the job postings have an urgent requirements. If someone is looking for the job from a specific field, for example commerce, BTech, etc., or from functional fields like research, backend, operations, etc., we can narrow down our search by just hitting the field plus the location of the job. For example, let us look for the backend plus the location has to be Gurgaon or whatever location that you are looking for. Just hit enter. Then we will have all the results regarding backend jobs. The best part about these job posting is that mostly the HR or whosoever is posting that job gives an direct email ID to forward your resume.